As I said earlier in the week, there are many other turns aside from just the typical go-to that we think of, pirouettes. And for today, I'm just kind of marking what some of these are, just so we have a better idea of kind of what they are. I'm not diving too deep into the technical details of them today, so don't dwell too much on the technical aspect. Today I want to take the time to go over a little bit of a better understanding of what other types of turns we are able to do. I'm going to start with kind of an offshoot, though, of pirouettes. The term pirouette simply means whirl or spin. There are different ways of doing them. So you can do a racy-ray pirouette, where your leg goes up and lands it in the same spot. You can also do passe pirouettes, where then your leg transfers to the back or to the front. Pirouettes can also be done in a sur le coup de pied position. There are grand pirouettes. Grand pirouettes can be done with an arabesque, in which case you're turning and you lower the heel with every turn. Grand pirouettes can also be done with an attitude. There are some other rules that get applied when we start talking about grand pirouettes and some of the other turns that we're able to do. Again, when you add the term tour, you're typically turning with a movement, so we have a lot of possibilities that we're able to turn with. Just be aware that there are more turns than simply just your pirouettes. Fouettes are done typically with a starting pirouette, and then we extend and we wrap our leg around, and that's where we get many, many turns. There are still other types of turns. We can jump in the air and turn. So then we have tour en l'air, we have tour de basques. We can turn in many other ways. Another great example would be waltz tours. You can do leg swings. You can do V-spins. In hip-hop, we actually have a whole realm of turns that we can do on the floor, where we can spin on our head and do different poses there. We can do pike turns, where we're walking from hand to hand and flipping over. There are so many options. I hope this at least gives you a vague idea of some of the other things that you can be practicing for turns. Some of these are very detailed, though. Reason again, I did not want to go into the technical details today, because there's so much more to it, and you need to be able to do them safely and trained properly for them. I will see you tomorrow.